us. 1 in a million, ain't a lot of us. Coming from the bottom, now we way up. On top, won't stop. So get out the way. I'm a freight train, heavy in the game. Get out the way. In a fast lane, going insane. Get out my way. You can never stop me, I'm a Mack truck. Mad Max coming for you. Get out the way. You can never stop me, I'm a Mack truck. Mad Max coming for you. Get out the way. In a fast lane, going insane. Get out the way.
Hindi ko hahayaan maramdaman mong nag-iisa ka. Haharapin pa rin natin ang bukas ng magkasama. Balutin natin ang pagmamahalan at kaya ang natitira pa nating pagsasamahan habang tayo ay nabubuhay. Sabay tayong tatanda.
You've been my hero and the one I look up to the most. Thank you for all the love, support, and the sacrifices para sa amin nila, Mommy.
I'm feeling like a brand new me.
Thank you, Dad, because you became my motivator and my guidance in life. You motivate and guide me paano lumaban sa buhay. Sa kahit anong pagsubok na dumating sa akin, alam ko kakayanin ko na. Kasi ikaw yung nagturo sa akin na hindi dapat sumuko at paano labanan ang bawat hamon ng buhay.
Today, I just want to thank you for everything you've done to shape me into the man I am. You've taught me what it means to work hard, to be honorable, and to always put family first. Your guidance, humor, and wisdom have been my anchor, and I'm so proud to be your son.
You'll see, I'm feeling like a brand new me. For the very first time,
let us make some noise in welcoming our celebrant, Sir Ferdy!
Ka, papasayahin kita. Pag nagugutom ka, pagluluto kita. Pag galit ka, papakalmahin kita. Pag may kaaway ka, ipagtatanggol kita. Pag may gusto ka, papakinggan kita. Pag may problema ka, dadamayan kita. Pangako, aalagaan kita hanggat ako'y may hininga.